Hi, my name is Ashley Porterfield, and this is week 8. We are going over the reproductive system of male and females. So, the first thing that we're going to talk about is going to be the male reproductive system. And this starts with the penis and the urethra. They're part of the urinary and the reproductive systems. The scrotum, testicles, vas deferens, I don't know if I said that right, but the seminal vesicles and prostate comprise the rest of the reproductive system. The scrotum is basically a thick skin sac that surrounds and protects the testes. The scrotum also acts as a climate control system for the testes just because they have to be in colder temperature in order to protect sperm development. The testes are oval bodies that are basically about 1.5 to 3 inches in length. The testes' primary functions are really to produce sperm and to produce testosterone. The vas deferens is a fern tube that transports sperm from the epididymis. The urethra is part of the urinary tract that transports urine from the bladder as part of the reproductive system through semen, basically through semen ejaculation. The prostate lies under the bladder and surrounds the urethra, and the seminal vesicles, they are basically located above the prostate, and these vesicles, they produce fluid that nourishes the sperm. Next, we are going to go over the female reproductive system and the main external structures and what these basically consist of. So, the labia majora is basically, it encloses and protects other external reproductive organs. The labia minora, this one, basically is just inside the labia majora, and it surrounds the openings to the vagina that basically it's a canal that joins the lower part of the uterus outside the body. The Bartholinian's glands, these glands are basically located to the vaginal opening on each side, and they produce fluid, which is mucus secretion. The clitoris, the two labia minora meet at the clitoris, which is a small sensitive opening that is comparable to the penis in males. The clitoris is covered by vulva skin, which is called prepuce. I think that's how you say it. The internal reproductive organs of the female reproductive system include the vagina, the uterus, the ovaries, and the fallopian tubes. The vagina is basically a canal that joins the cervix, which is the lower part of the uterus. The uterus is what people call the womb, and it is hollow, and it's a pear-shaped organ that is the home to basically developing fetus, or fetuses in certain cases. So ovaries, these are small oval-shaped glands that are located on either side of the uterus. These produce eggs and hormones. Fallopian tubes, this is the last one, which is fallopian tubes. These are narrow tubes that are attached to the upper part of the uterus and serve as pathways for the eggs to travel to the ovaries to the uterus. This really helps with fertilization of an egg, which normally occurs in the fallopian tubes. So I just wanted to go over the reproductive systems, as I did not have another pic in my dissection kit to go over that to see if it was a male or female. So we just went over the normal reproductive systems in male and females. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.